Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video, it's something that some of you have been waiting for, and that is the giveaway of this book. This is from Cartech Books. This is the Jeep TJ 97 through 2006 How to Build and Modify book. I did a quick overview of this book. I love the Cartech books because they're very comprehensive, have a lot of great detail and information specific to the type of vehicle you're interested in. So, I said in the last video, which was the beginning of this month, that I was going to give this book away at the end of the month. Not this book, but I'm going to have Cartech Books send you your very own book. If you don't win, my discount code still works, I believe, at cartechbooks.com. So, if you want this book and you're sad because you didn't win it, use my code and buy it. Save a bunch of money that way. So yeah, it's cartechbooks.com. All kinds of books, not just Jeep stuff. They just happen to have Jeep TJ, Jeep JK, but pick a vehicle. If you're interested in it and you want to learn more about it, they probably have the book. That's why it's called Cartech Books. Lots of stuff. Anyway, let's give this thing away. All right, so I use this website called commentpicker.com, and they have a YouTube random comment picker. It's the easiest way to do that. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and find that video where I said I was giving away the book. And that was somewhere down here. Did I miss it? My gosh, where is it? Oh, here it is, right here. Book giveaway. All right, pause that. We don't need to watch it. But what I do want to do is get the URL. And all of these people down here who have commented, you are automatically eligible to win. So thank you very much for that. And also, call me crazy, I like seeing where you guys are from and what you're driving. I think it's kind of cool. So I appreciate that. Let me grab that URL, go over here to the random comment. I am going to filter duplicate users. What that means is if you've commented 2 times or 3 times or 100 times, you don't get 100 chances to win. Everybody gets equal opportunity to win. One shot from your comment. Boom. And there are 40 unique commenters. I'm going to go ahead and select a random winner right now. Mike Satkamp. And he posted 2004 Jeep TJ Sahara and 2004 Grand Cherokee 4x4 Killin'? Alabama Roll Tide. You know, I was born in Alabama. Most people don't know that, but I'm not a fanatic. But I was born in Alabama. So there you go. We have a connection in heritage, birthright, Roll Tide. You can expect to get a comment from me on your comment telling you to contact me. I need your address so that I can tell Cartech Books where to send this book. And everyone else, like I said, if you were hoping you were going to win, but you didn't, don't cry. Just go buy it and use my discount code. I don't get anything out of it. I don't get a commission, but it saves you money. Really, that's what's most important. So anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.
Magnetizing, feels like I am floating, leaves my body glowing. They say, be afraid, you're not like the others. Get your